How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do an intense veiny arm workout step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we're gonna do is my favorite, and that is an arm twist. So just like this, we're gonna twist. This is great for the arms, biceps, triceps, forearms, everything gonna be popping. 30, keep going. We want to do high reps, you guys. $100 repetitions. Now, if you can't do the full 100 reps, that's fine. Just try to do as many as you can. Take a 5-10 second break. The next exercise that we are going to do is going to be arm circles. This is great. Again, biceps, triceps, forearms, and we're just going to make circles with our arms like this. $30, keep going. $60 repetitions, quick little break. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna do squeezes. So get your hands squeezed really, really tight and hold. Static exercises are amazing. So static is just basically where you're doing a holding exercise. Really, really good. Continue to hold, but you gotta squeeze. Like this exercise depends on how hard you squeeze. So if you just sit there like this, then obviously it's not gonna work. You gotta squeeze really, really hard and hold it. Eventually, if you're doing it correctly after a while, like my arms are shaking a little bit, that's a good sign. That means they're starting to get fatigued. It helps with the arms. And again, mine are really shaking right now, you guys. Okay, keep going, keep going. Almost there, almost there. Perfect, quick little break. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.